Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul, not for myself, but for my little 2-year-old boy. I decided to get him a few new things, and why not show you guys what I got and tell you guys where I got everything. So, without further ado, if you guys want to see what I got for Hudson, then let's just jump right into it. Okay, let's start with this little stack right here. I just barely washed it because I wanted to like test the products out before I gave you guys my opinion. So yeah, I tried these out this last week. I just got them last week, so they're still brand new. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you. He's wearing one of them right now. So I'm gonna bring him in here, lift him up in a minute, and show you guys. So, okay, first outfit that I thought was stinking cute. So this little stack right here is from Little Big Bungalow. I found them on Instagram, I believe, and they gave me a little coupon code for my followers. So I thought I would tell you guys that I've got you guys a 30% off coupon code, and I'll link everything in the description box below so you guys can click that if you guys are interested in anything that I'm going to be showing you. So first, I got him these really cute shorts. The little drawstring is not super cute. They're kind of like almost capri shorts, and it comes with this super stinking cute tank. I love their little boutique. Oh, so cute. So the only thing that I have to complain about is the tags are a little bit itchy on his back, but easy peasy lemon squeezy, just snip them right off and they're gonna be just fine. Love this, the little buttons on it are so stinking cute. I just love boutique-y stuff. It's my favorite. Okay, so then these were the things that I was most drawn to, were these little jumpsuits. So this is like a short, it's not long pants or anything like that. And I love how it still snaps in the crotch area. So cute. Got the little pocket, and I love the little design. This one doesn't bother him at all, so I love that. Okay, next little jumpsuit that I got. Oh, I was dying over this one. So stinking cute. Another shorts one, the little buttons. So cute. And he looks freaking adorable and everything. This one, the tag bothered him as well. They're a little bit pointy, so either round them out or just take them off because your kid's gonna kind of complain. But other than that, the quality's pretty dang good. They feel super soft and they're stretchy, so they're comfortable. Who doesn't like comfy? Okay, this one's my favorite. Little shorty shorts. They're super short on them. They're adorable. I love the little drawstrings right here. So cute. They're fake drawstrings though. They're not real, unfortunately. And then it comes with like a little muscle man shirt. We were calling him Peter Pan. It's like a cut off with a little hood. I thought it was adorable. So stinking cute. I just had to show you guys. So I love boutiques. Okay, so I just brought him in here. He's hi. Oh, not camera shy. Oh, no think. Oh. So this is the outfit that I wasn't sure about, but it turned out being really cute. It's another one of those jumpsuits. It has like leaves and like just very tropical. So cute. I love it. He's seriously so cute in anything, but this kind of is more a little on the girly side, but I think it's still cute. Okay, go eat your M&Ms. Go back out with Daddy. Go eat your M&Ms and watch your choo-choo train show. Okay, so that's everything that I got from the Little Big Bungalow, and I love it all. I mean, my husband doesn't love the last one that I just showed you, but who cares? I just put him in it anyways. So stinking cute. Love these. So I went to the outlets a couple days ago in Park City, and the Columbia outlet was having a stinking good deal, and I had to get this little windbreaker jacket. Oh, it's adorable. I gotta take the sleeve out. So stinking cute. I love. And who doesn't love a little tiny top in like name brand stuff? It's so cute. Columbia, so fancy. Even though it was like $12, but so stinking cute. Okay, so then we went to the Nike store at Farmington Station in Utah, and we got him 2 pairs of Nikes, and I'm just dying. I mean, he's worn them each maybe once or twice, and they're already kind of, you know, he's a boy. But we got this plain, like, little gray pair that I thought was really cute. He's in size 8, guys. Like, how is this possible? He's 2, and he's in size 8 already. These ones are our favorites. These ones are So cute. Little Mickey. So cute. Little baby shoes are so cute. These aren't even like baby shoes anymore. They're like big kid shoes. It's crazy. So that is everything that I got from Little Big Bungalow, Columbia, and Nike. I hope you guys enjoyed this little baby haul. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Baby, he's not a baby, he's a toddler. He's my baby though. Ooh. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!